guys, Kevin here, out here checking out a new area not too far from my house that I haven't explored much. I'm hoping, and I got my two best friends with me. Where are they? There you are. I know you're impatient. You're going to hear them whining in the background because they don't like to stop. But anyway, yeah, I'm up here just out for an afternoon hike with you guys. I'm hoping to maybe find some chaga or just poke around, maybe hunting season. Might find some sheds, nice place to camp, something like that. So maybe backcountry skiing. So I'm out here just poking around, being nosy. Got my GPS with me, marking a few spots that might interest me to come back to. Like I said, maybe some camping areas or potential bushcraft spots. And again, like I said, it's not far from my house. It's starting to rain. Like, what the hell? Why is it raining? This is Vermont. It's supposed to be snowing. We should have like a foot of snow on the ground. And we have like, I don't know, very little. I'm bummed about that. But there is snow in the forecast for later on this week. I hope all of you had a wonderful Christmas, depending on when you're watching this, and a wonderful New Year. I hope you all stick to your what is it? New Year's resolutions. I never do, but I'm going to try. So, yeah, I'm going to keep going, keep poking around. And I also brought a new piece of kit that I got for Christmas from my beautiful bride. And I'll share that with you guys in a little bit. So, let's go. Whew, stopped raining. It's kind of on and off showers. So another thing I'm hoping to run into today up here is a stand of red pine. I want some fatwood. I'm running kind of low. So hopefully I can find some up here. It'd be even better if I could find an old red pine that's come down. But yeah, check this out. Old road. You zigzag all over up here. Fun place to explore. I got a nice big landing in front of me. Holy cow. Looks like a log landing to me. Cool. This property's gated, so you can't drive up here with any kind of four-wheelers or cars or anything like that. It's also state-owned, so that's a good thing. Wintertime, not too many people get out here anyway, so. Hey, I'm talking, don't interrupt me. He's so rude. So yeah, I'm gonna keep going. Get up here. A lot of balsams, but I haven't seen any pine yet. So yeah, I'll bring it back if I find anything else that's interesting. Little deer track right there. Not huge, but potential for a spot to hunt. Yeah, we got a few white pines, but nothing that is down, nothing that I can get to any fatwood with. They're nice big trees too, but I have to keep poking around. Like I said, I really want to try to find some red pine if I can. I love the forest when it's this way, all foggy. Look at this. This looks so magical. There we go. We got a pine right there. And I can see the root ball. So maybe if I dig into this guy, I'll find some fatwood. Maybe down in there somewhere. No, this stuff is too far gone. Oh, wait a minute. That's pretty red. Might be a vein right there. Oh yeah, that looks really red. Check this out. Look how red that is. Right there. Maybe some fatwood in there. Wish I brought my axe with me. Or my little hatchet anyway. Let's see if I can get creative and break this thing out. I do have my more of my Garberg. Just need a little piece of it. No, it doesn't smell real turpentine-y. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait. Find a better one. This thing, I think, like I said, I think it's too far gone. Might work. Some of this might work for punkwood, but I think even that is, yeah, it's just falling apart in my hand. So, explore around a little bit more. See what else is out here. Here we go. Nice solid pine. This one isn't quite as old as the others. Come here, guys. Over here. Come on, beat it. You can see right here a little bit of witch's butter. It's kind of cool. So yeah, I'm gonna cut into this thing. See if I can get some fatwood out of it. Now, got me fooled again. Strike two. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, I smell it. Oh yeah, right in the middle. A little vein of it right in the middle. Cool. Well, not much, but it's something. See if there's any on this side. That fatwood, it always, the best luck is to find it at the base of the pine on the root ball. Oh yeah, this is solid. Oh yeah. We got some. It's not much, it's only like an inch in diameter. That's worth it. The rest of it's all punky. But hey, never said it would be easy. Aha. So, oop, a little water on the camera. I saw back there some pawings where some deer obviously were looking for ferns, or I did see a couple oaks, maybe some acorns. Not a lot of beech over here, but it's a good sign. I'm not going to see anything with these two guys running around, but yeah, I'm going to go up over this hillside. You can see it kind of fades away. I'm going to head up that way. The camera gathers a lot more light than the human eye actually sees, so it's getting kind of dark. It is, yeah, it's getting late. I still got to get back, so go a little bit further, have a snack, and show you that new piece of kit I got. It's quite a hill up there, got a lot of ledge. That ledge comes all the way around. I'm gonna have to find a different way around. Maybe out through there and up and over. Well, here we go. Holy cow. This like drops off straight down beyond me here. See what it looks like. I don't want to slip. You can see how steep it is. It just drops off into oblivion. Well, it's not straight down, but it's pretty darn close. If you slipped, you'd be rolling, and you wouldn't be stopping, that's for sure. Yeah, that was a hike. Very interesting area. Very dramatic elevation changes. 1 minute you're going 300 feet up and then straight back down another 300 feet, like right behind me. That first step is a doozy. So anyway, I want to show you a piece of kit that I got this year for Christmas. Apparently Santa thought I was good, and he sent me this. Santa being my beautiful bride. So yeah, it's the Pathfinder not canteen. It's the flask and cup kit. I love this thing. Well, at least I think I'm going to love it. I haven't got to really use it yet. It's my first time out with it, but part of the reason I wanted this thing, it's got this narrow profile. It's got the bat wings handles. You know, if you have gloved hands, you can still grab it. And a flask. I mean, it's an awful big flask. You fill that with whiskey, you're not waking up in the morning if you drink it all. But anyway, yeah, cool little cup. You know, it does have the measurement marks inside. I don't know if you can see that, but that's pretty cool. But as I was saying, it's got this narrow profile, and I like that because it'll fit really nicely in my haversack. It's smaller than the great big Nalgene size, you know, the 32 ounce big Nalgene container. I mean, nothing wrong with that. I love it, but sometimes you're only out for, like today, you're just out walking the dogs and having fun. He's trying to knock the camera over. So the smaller size works. But yeah, it also comes with a little buckle that goes over the top here and snaps the whole thing together so it won't come apart. I didn't bring that with me because it's in my haversack, and I want to be able to get at my water easily. So another thing I like about this little canteen, it's got a much smaller opening, so to drink out of, I actually prefer it, because you know the big 20 ounce Nalgene bottles, I don't know about you, maybe because I'm just a slob, but every time I take a drink, it inevitably ends up running down my face somehow, no matter how hard I try. But this thing with this narrow, much smaller opening, yeah, no worries, that doesn't happen. So I kind of like that. It's much more pleasant to drink out of, that's for sure. I like it. The verdict's still out on this thing, but so far I really like it. The other neat thing about it is that there is a little bit of space between the bottle and the cup. So what I like to do, where are you? Where did I put you? So make me search. There it is. So the other thing you can do is you can fit your spoon right in there real easy. So I kind of like that. So it's kind of all one little kit, all in one kit. So, and it, you know, it doesn't wiggle, doesn't shake, doesn't make a lot of noise, fits fairly tight. And as I said, it's just perfect for fitting in a haversack. So I did notice one negative about this thing, and it's that little guy right there. So that right there is a little rubber stopper that fits inside the lid, the screw cap. That thing just fell right out. Keeps it waterproof. So I don't know, I might have to put a little hot glue or something in there, because that guy comes out pretty easy. So that's not good. You don't want to lose that. You lose that, then your water bottle will leak, or your flask will leak. So that's no good. So, oh well. Almost a perfect 10 though. Anyway, I'm going to be messing around with that for the year, and that's part of my new kit. So I wanted to share that with you guys. I'm going to keep poking around. These guys are finally tiring out a little bit. But yeah, I'm going to keep exploring around for, I don't know, maybe another hour or so to see what I can find. As I said before, I'd love to find some sheds or some more deer sign. I am a deer hunter. So, or even a ski line, because I am a skier. Anything, pretty much anything outside in the woods I love to do. So it's my playground. So I won't keep you guys Thanks for watching, and I'll be back again as soon as I can with another video. So, see you guys.